Ninu Nursery Kids Rhymes.
Yes, yes, let's get dressed today. Come on, friends, let's shout hooray. Shirt and pants and shoes so bright. Getting ready feels just right. First we put our t-shirt on, pull it down and it's all done. Left arm, right arm, through we go. Now we're ready, don't you know? Yes, yes, let's get dressed. Looking clean and looking best. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Getting dressed is fun and neat. Next our pants go on so fast. One leg, two legs done at last. Zip it up and button tight. Now our clothes are looking right. Yes, yes, let's get dressed. Put our shoes on like the rest. Tie the laces, jump around.
Look at my new jacket.
Kids all over town.
I'm gonna jump so high. Whee! That was fun.